All right, everybody, awesome news. We are gonna make this competitive. $1,000 by May 1st. Whoever has the fastest lap on the track. Let's see who takes this home. Right now, fastest lap is 6:09 by an XP Turbo. We got lucky. So Brent, he prayed to the rain gods. I did a rain dance. What did you do, Bo?
I don't want to discuss.
You did some unthinkable things?
Unthinkable.
And then Chad did his own little rain dance. A lot of people have wanted the track to be watered because it's really dry out here. And we don't.
I refuse to answer that.
We don't.
It's fast though today. It'll be fast. It'll be a good one.
Who needs a water truck when we got the rain gods?
Seriously. I need to keep it interesting.
Just to make it entertaining.
Brent, you need these.
Love the way this Wildcat sounds. She sounds wicked.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
No way.
Yes, dude.
Shredded it.
Shredded it.
Chad here. A little too crazy on the old Wildcat.
This is what depression looks like. When you can't take your car out for one lap for your belt. This is the kind of belt that I like to have. This is not the kind of belt that I want.
Yes. Oh,
There's some remnants on the ground there.
That's bad.
We didn't even get maybe a half lap in this.
Maybe.
Maybe a half of a lap. And she just shredded. Look at this pretty blue canned ham. She is gliding and she looks pretty and new until the end of the day, I'll tell you that much.
We going fast? We're racing. What's that? This will be a race one. You alright, Chad?
Yeah. You okay, bud? I just gotta get out.
He's okay.
There we go.
You alright?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Oh. Dude, this thing handles like shit.
You lost the spare coming out of the downhill.
What's that?
The spare was not buckled in good. Woo. Oh boy.
You don't have a winch, right? I don't know.
With the track comes tragedies. Let's just roll it this way, huh?
Yeah, if we can.
We're gonna roll it.
Yeah.
Chad, Chad, are you okay? You okay? And I'm like, I'm just stuck. Like, it got really dirty inside because it started like pouring. It started pouring.
Oh.
Yeah.
And then it was
Pouring down a hill, and we're on the hill.
We're in the wash at that
I know.
point.
I,
We're
mean, I
like,
was on the quad trying to find you.
We were in
We went through it.
Now, which turn was it? It's the
turn
first
five.
turn when you start to go back up. Like, so you go through, like, the S-curve area,
Yeah.
and then you start to go up that hill, it's that turn.
Well, that was a blast and all that water. Not going to get that very often. So we had a great time. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and keep watching. Stay tuned, boys. We got some good racing coming on.